Good morning, dear friends. Let us start chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Part 3, NCERT class 5. Start with magic square. You can see this is a 3 cross 3 grid. 3 cross 3 means 9. So we have 9 boxes in this magic box, and we have to put some number here with some rule. So let us see what is that. Magic square. Fill this square by using numbers from 46 to 54. We have to fill numbers from 46 to 54. In between, 50 will be there. So that the total of each line should be 150. Each line means sum of these three should be 150. 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 What is magic? We add any line, we will get some same. And here we will get 150. So how can we have that? Let us see. Getting 150, we should have 50 plus 50 plus 50. Simply, if we add 3 50s, we will get some 150. But the rule is we cannot repeat the number, and each number should be entered at least one. And from 46 to 54, we will have 9 numbers, and we have 3 cross 3, 9 boxes. Okay, so we cannot use 350s. So what can we do? If we fix one number 50, this number should be less than 50, this number should be more than 50. The less will be the more. Means if I use here 49, one less, I have to put one more here, 51. Again, sum will be 150. If 50 is there, I use here 48, means 2 less. So I have to put here 2 more. Okay. If I put here 54, 4 more. So I have to put here 4 less. Okay. So in this way, we have to adjust the sum 150. So let us start with this box, because it has already 2 entry. This line has already 2 entry. So it will become easy for us. This is 3 less than 50. This is 2 more than 50. So what is the difference? Minus 1. Okay. We have to have here one number which is 1 more than 50. Okay. So $51. Okay. Now you can see 7 into 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry over 1, 4, and carry over 1, 5, plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15. So sum is 150. Now, these two entries filled, we have to have some number here. You can see this is 1 more, this is 4 less, means we have to have 3 more. Okay, we have to have 3 more, means 53. Then only we can have sum 150. So you can check the sum is 150. Now you can see in this grid, these 2 boxes are filled. We have to have number here. You can see here, this is plus 3, this is minus 1. So we have to have 2 less. We have to have 2 less. Okay, so we have to put here 48. Okay, now you can see 53 plus 48 plus 49, 150. Now these two boxes entered, we have to fill here. 2 less than 50, 2 more than 50 means we have to have exactly 50 here. Okay, 46, 4 less than 50, so we should have a number here 4 more than 50. So this is again 150. So what is magic? Sum of these three is 150. 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 Okay. So this is the answer of this magic square. Let us have another magic square. Fill this square using all the numbers from 21 to 29. 21 to 29. In between 25. Okay. So what is the rule? The total of each side should be 75. How will we have 75? 25 plus 25 plus 25, that is 75. Means if one number is 25, another two number cannot be 25 because we cannot repeat the numbers. We have 9 numbers between 21 to 29 and we have 3 cross 3 grid, that is 9 boxes there. So if I fix here 25, if I use 1 less than 25, here I have to put 1 more than 25. Okay, then sum become 75. If I fix one number 25, here I put 28, 3 more than 25, so I have to put here 3 less than 25. Then again the sum becomes 75. So in this way we have to complete this square grid. So let us have 25 in between. Okay, now we have to adjust the other numbers. Let us have 23 here. 23 here means 2 less than 25. So I will have to put here 2 more than 25. So sum of this line 75. Now 23 here. Let us put here 28. 3 more than 25. So here I have to put here 2 less than 25 means here I have to put only 1 less than 25. That is 24. Now the sum is again 75. Come towards this line. Let us have 29 here. 1 less than 25. 4 more than 25 means we have to have 3 less than 25. 22. Okay, so you can see again the sum is 75. Now 2 entries are filled. We have to put here and here. 4 more than 25, 4 less than 25, 21. This is 27. Now this is left and you can see 21 here, 22 here, 23, 24, 25, 26 left. So we can put here 26. You can see sum is 75. You can see sum is 75. Okay. So in this way we can complete the magic square in which sum of each side is 75. You can make your own magic square with own numbers. Suppose we can have our own rules for this square grids and we can fill this magic square. Suppose we have to fill from 11 to 19, again 9 number, and in between somewhere 15. So the rule will be sum of numbers will be 45. Okay, 15 plus 15 plus 15, 45. So you have to complete this magic square and send me the copy. So this is all about this video. If I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not done till now. Thank you.